What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's your boy Stan with my unfiltered reviews. And today we're going to be talking about casual sneakers. Have you ever been to an event where you don't really want to wear traditional Nike Air Jordans and things of that nature with a suit, but you want to wear something that looks like dress shoes, but more casually, sneakerly dress shoes? Well, the only solution I found that works for me right now is Bruno Marc casual shoes. Those are actually awesome. I'm gonna actually unbox my other pair that I have, the black pair that I have of this one. It's so great that I had to get two pairs, of course. And these are the brown ones, and I'm gonna actually unbox the brand new black pair I just got to showcase it to you guys and show you guys exactly what it offers, and also give you guys an on-foot review of it as well later on in the video. I want you to watch till the end so you get to see that as well. Now, a question I have for you as well is if you own a pair of casual shoes or casual sneakers, as they call them, let me know in the comments below what you think of them, how comfortable they are, and how you adapting with this whole new style process that's out there. I'm gonna actually go ahead and start unboxing the shoe. I'm gonna move on to the next phase of the process. Let's go. And hit the subscribe button as well. Let's go. All right. This is practically the box in a nutshell. Comes with this nice little Bruno Marc box. Obviously, BrunoMarcShoes.com. The link is actually will be in the description below, and also the shopping link will be associated with this video as well, so you can get your hands on it. And that's how it opens. And that's how it comes, pretty much. Comes with this mesh shoe holder. Very cool, very sleek, with Bruno Marc's name on it, the designer of the shoe in itself. And inside the shoe, some paper. And that's pretty much the shoe. But as you can see, I've worn it probably once before. And you can see there how cool the toe box look. It's a very nice toe box with suede on the toe box patch right there. The gum bottom looks amazing as well, and you have the white stitching on the side of it, so it's practically a very nice black and white shoe. Genuine leather, awesome looking, no crazy designs on it. Looks perfect for, business meeting or anything of that nature. The tongue looks amazing as well, and it's very comfy. The inside of it is very springy and very foamy. It has the Bruno Marc name inside as well. And obviously the inside is white. Just like the brown one also. It's the same thing for the brown one as well. White stitching, gum bottom, genuine brown leather, and obviously the great suede, it's practically suede material in the front, and obviously the white insert on the inside as well. The interior color is white. The tongue is amazing, small, but super comfy. The laces are nice and big, where it looks like a traditional dress shoe, but only for the comfort of your feet, so to speak. You can walk around in it, not have any issues whatsoever. Very cool. You can't really go wrong with it. And the bottom has a very nice design, octagon type design. Regardless of the color you pick, it's still the same design all across the board, whether it's brown, white. I believe these come in 3 different colors. I forgot to mention that. They come in black, brown, and white. So whichever color you choose, that's pretty much going to be the sole design right there. And obviously, as you wear it and you walk around with it a little bit more, the gum bottom starts wearing off. I don't know how long the life of this will be, but for right now, it's awesome. You can't go wrong with it. It's under $60, pretty much. Shopping link is on the video if you're interested in getting you a pair. And for the price, the comfort you get is great. And the value you get also is awesome as well. But it's definitely worth the money for sure of what you're going to be paying for these shoes. So that's it in a nutshell right there. Take a look at it. Look very, very round front. Nice toe box with the suede. The black suede looks even better than the brown suede, but I'm still in love with both pair of shoes, so to speak. So I'm gonna actually try them on my feet, showcase that to you guys as well, show you guys what it looks like on foot as well, and we can move on to the next phase of the video. Like I mentioned before, if you do own a pair or want to get a pair, the shopping link is on the video. If you do own a pair, let me know what you think of them. They're super comfortable. They go great with suits, jeans, anything that you can think of in a nutshell. You know, dress shoes, dress pants. It goes awesome with all sorts of dressy features. If you can take them to the club, if you don't want to wear sneakers like everybody else is wearing, traditional athletic sneakers, you can wear these to the club and no problem whatsoever. So they're super comfortable in that facet. Your feet won't hurt in them. And now I'm gonna try them out and show it to you guys so you guys get to see how great they are. All right, let's get to that part. Let's go. All right, guys. This is the on-foot review part of the shoe, the casual shoes, the Bruno Marc casual shoes. They're easy to put on, very, very easy to put on. You just slip them on. If you want to tie the knot, tie the shoe in itself, you could do that. That's it. Forgot to bring a shoe horn with me. That's how you put them on. Very, very comfortable shoe in a nutshell. My toes can wiggle out of them. They're true to size. You can't really mess them up. Super comfy. I'm gonna just put the laces inside actually. So that's the front right there. See how easy it is for me to wiggle my feet in, up and down, and side by side in it. Very, very comfy. That's the inside of the shoe. That's the outer side of the shoe in itself. Super comfy. Like, love the design. Kind of look like the Adidas in a way, but love the design. And that's the back of it right there. Can't really go wrong with any of that. In a nutshell, great shoe. Love them, and I will definitely continue to wear them. If you're looking to get a pair, shopping link is in the description below as well. Get you some great summer shoes. You can rock them and go to the club, go to a meeting. You can't go wrong with them. All right, guys, if you've gotten here so far, you're actually getting closer to the end of the video. I want to hear your feedback on my video, my channel. Let me know in this video below what you think of the shoe, what you think of my delivery. Any feedback would be greatly appreciated. And also, if you can kindly subscribe to the channel as well, that's greatly appreciated as well. I'm trying to bring my subscriber levels up. And as well, if you're already a subscriber, just share with a friend. Don't hesitate to share with a friend and like the video as well. Want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video today. I hope you guys had an awesome day and got some insightful review. Enjoy, guys. Peace.